Hello guys, I'm here today. We're going to play GF. So I want to just making a house, okay? So anyways, if you want to see more videos on our channel, make sure to like and subscribe because I'm eating noodles. So I'm gonna make a minute, okay? Or 20 minutes left. Okay, let's build a house. Did I spawn there? Yes. Let's see the baby GF. So anyways, if you want to see more videos on our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So this one's cool. So we have 8%. So we can just be slow down. See, here is I just spawned there before because I'm gonna build it now. I'm gonna build it now. So guys, like and subscribe, okay? So this one's cool. So I want to build the house. Okay. I'm gonna. Oh no, this one is sitting. No. No, I wasn't ready yet. No. No, I wasn't ready yet. No, I wasn't ready yet. Oh my god. This could be the hard mode. No. This could be the hard mode. Oh my god. Oh my god. This could be the hard mode, guys. Oh no. Peace. Peace. Please. Please. Please, I'm eating noodles. Please. With the baby guest in there. Bruh. They will destroy everything. Also, they can just remove the plants and try to kill me. Okay, the gift are cutting. Okay, guys. So here is the shop again. So if you buy it, you will buy whatever you want. So I don't want to. Ooh, what the heck? Oh, it's cute. Hey, get out of here, you stinky gift. Ow! No, no. Ow! Bro, it's freaking fast. No, bro, it's gonna be fast. Who's that? Hey, Gift, huh? You baby Gift. What are you doing? Hey, Gift. Oh my god, Gift. Oh my god. No! 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 I wanna respawn there. Dang it! I respawn now. Bro, I hate this game. This game is freaking this game is freaking hard. Freaking game. So I want to just find the blue house and try to just not kill me. How can I buy? How could I just be? Okay, I need to survive. How do we survive? Okay, how much percent do I have? We're at 7. We're almost to 100. So I want to see it. Okay, there's nothing there. I need baby gift. Bro, I hate this. You gift, huh? Stinky gift. Ow, you stinky. What are you kissing me? Stinky gift. What are you doing? Oh my god, you're gonna be heart attacking by an Elden Wolf. So anyways, if I'm Steve, we just want to... Ow! What did you stretch eating? Haha, noob. Ow! 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 Mama, heal! Haha, noob, stinky. Nah, I don't care. Okay, we're at soda. Give me soda. Haha. Noob. Noob. Another soda. Okay, we need to find a big blue house. So I want to make a minute left. I don't want to low bat, okay? So I'm gonna save in there. Okay. No. Hey, you, stinky gift. Hey, yo, it's fast. You baby gift. Huh? Hey, Jeff! Why do you have babies? Stinky Jeff, huh? Why are you have babies in there? You look like a cutie, like a putiri. Cutie paturi. You look like a cutie paturi. What are you doing about it? Bro. Come on, get it. And also get it. Okay, come on. What the heck? Haha. Ha, there's no baby Jeff. You stinky. You stink. I don't care. Ah! Haha. Stinky. Ooh. Haha. You dodge. I will dodge you. Hi, Jeff, huh? Jeff, you stinky. You look black on. How much percent? We have 6. Oh my god, why I'm so flying like around 49. We are going to be. I'm gonna just end. Bro, what are you doing? Wait, I need to charge my tablet. Wait, I need to charge my tablet, okay? So I want to just charge now. How can I charge? 0. Where is it? Okay. Do not end. Where is it? Bro. How can I add friend? Okay, wait, I'm gonna. Wait. Don't end. Wait. 90. 93. Okay. Wait. Guys, wait. Okay, guys, so I want to be back. So, wait. Dang it. Dang it. Bruh. Charge it now. Hello, what's up, Mara? What's up, dude? Dude. Hey, what's up, dude? Hey, what's up, dude? Bro, I'm lagging. Why I'm lagging? Wait, hey, what's up, dude? Hey, what's up, dude? Hey, what are you doing? No, I'm getting laggy. You know what? I don't want there. Mama, I want to fight you. Okay. Bro, why this? Hey, you Jeff. Beat me or else. Hey, Jeff. Hey, Jeff. Hey, Jeff. Come on, what the heck? Oh my god. Come on. Jeff. Jeff. Huh? Yo! Hey, Ruiz. Help me, please. Bruh. Bruh, why is it taking so long? Bruh, why is it lagging? Bruh, why is it my feet are itching? Bruh, let me know in the comments. Hey yo! Bruh, let me. What the heck? Bruh, they didn't even charge properly. What the heck? What the thing was that? What the thing was? I'm getting low bat. Okay. Okay. Oh, what's that? Yes! Finally, I'm gonna get through a crowbar. Yes. Please. Heal. Oh my god. It's taking so long. Come on, let's board there. Oh my god, it's taking so long! Oh my god. Board it properly! Oh my god! What? You know what? Let's board there. Come on. Come on! Why is it happening? Oh my god, this could be the hard mode. This could be the hardest game ever. Okay, also I'm gonna build it hard mode. Hard time, They will share. They will share about it, okay guys? Also, you know what? I'm gonna make 22 minutes. Okay. This could be my house now because they're trying to just steal my house. Okay, this could be the hard mode. Okay, we're at base complete. Day 2. Who's that? Who's there? Who there? Who there? Who's there? What the heck? What a Sigma? Open! You son of the nutcracker! What are you doing? Fuck! You stinky! I will dodge you. Haha, you can't. You can't bite me properly. Don't close it properly. Why I am lagging? Blech. Haha. Stinky. No! Please stop. Please stop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, stinky poop. Oh, mama! Oh, no. I'm gonna die. 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 Ah, stinky gas. Ah. No, I'm gonna die. No, 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 no. No. How can I survive an accident? No, it's just... How can I survive? Guys, how can I survive? Oh, there's a GPS. Give me GPS. Give me GPS. Okay, guys. Bro, I'm lagging. Why I'm lagging? Yeah. Stinky gas. Stinky poop. Stinky poopy. Stinky poopy. Hey, you stinky poopy, huh? Oh, mama. No, 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 no. Ah, you can't. You can't bite me. I'll dodge you. Also got a soda. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Stinky poo poo. Let's get this. Yes, this could be the richest game ever. Okay, we need to get food for a project. Progress. For the no reasonable. Hey, what are you doing? You know what? I'm gonna board you. Are you Minecraft? You're still a Minecraft. You know what? I'm your Minecraft now. In the Minecraft style. Yes. Haha, no. No. You look Minecraft. It's a Minecraft. Bruh, come on. You look Minecraft. You look Minecraft. What are you doing? You look like Minecraft. You look Minecraft style. Ding 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 ding. How? Tell me I'm stuck. Tell me I'm stuck. Okay. You look so Minecraft. Are you Steve or Alex? Are you Minecraft? You will trap forever. Find your own shelter. I will trap you now. Did you die? Of course not. Haha. Noob. You can't. You can't beat me up. It's real. It's real It's real Minecraft. It's Minecraft now. Yay! Yay! Also guys. No. You will die. You will safe now, okay? You will be safe. For no reason. Okay. Do not get lag, okay? If I lag, now I'm gonna be in trouble. Insane trouble. You will trap here forever and ever and ever. Okay, I'm scared. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, please. Please, just let me pass. To the mask. Oh, the mask. Okay, they says December 19. They will be gone forever in the plushie. The real gift plushie. So I'm not gonna buy. Okay. So gift plushie is now sale now. Get one from the Max Next shift receipt. Mama. Mama, this could be the gift plushie, Mama. Look. The gift plushie. It's only available for a couple of weeks and couple years. Or a couple months ago. Because it's 7 months ago I played this gift for no reason. Haha. Noob. Haha. Haha, noob. You're homeless. Come on, please, board it properly. What is wrong with this? Oh my god. I hate this game. Please stop. Who's that? Is that money? Or is this money? I know, shine, sleep, Monster! Little mouse. Little mouse. I know safe from other than the crime. I was watching me all I want me okay. I want me Little mouse. You know what? I'm gonna trap you now. Yes. You know what? That's it. I'm gonna trap you forever and ever and ever. Oh no. You know what? I hate you all. I hate you. Absent. You will be trapped here forever. You will be Harita. You will be Rabavira. You will be Vida. You will be Vida. Hey, what are you doing? You're not supposed to dislike it. Or not the mouse. The mouse. You monster. Yay! Yes, I beat the hater. Yes, Stinky. You know what? You ruined my day, huh? You son of a nutcracker. Son of a nutcracker. Son of a heck. Okay. No. Okay. Stinky gift. No. Not. Okay, let's make 20,000 or 20 minutes again, but I'm gonna board you. Yes. Let's board. Come on, let's board him. I'm sorry, my bro. Okay, sorry. Let's board him. Not you. I'm gonna board him. Okay. No, you're not. Santa Christmas. Mouse. Hello, Bacon. Hello, mouse. Little mouse. Yes, I beat the hater. Yes. No, you can't. Yes, we will die. Yes, they will die soon. They will soon after you die. You will be die. You will die. You will die. You will die. You will die now. Okay? You will be die. You need to die. We need to die. Okay? So anyways, I'm gonna board that hem because I'm gonna make a lot of different mods by other also. Okay? So I'm gonna make a minute. I'm gonna make 55 minutes, but I don't want to. But we're at day 4. We're reaching to day 100. How about day 10? Okay, we're reaching to day 10 because it's gonna be real. I think he died. He died. I think he passed away. This one. He passed away. Did I disconnect? Don't you dare to disconnect, okay? Give me, please, give me food. I said give me food. Or else, give me food. Give me food. Or else I'll leave. Give me food. Give me food. I'm your friend. Give me food. Give me food. I saw you. I saw it. I saw it grabbing you. Grabbing the food. Come on. Come on. Bro, are you stupid? You know what? Let's attack it. Let's attack the gift. So I'm gonna make design. Design out of the gift. Let's make design. Oh no. Okay. 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 Rumors. Okay. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna play GIF again. So this time it's gonna be real life. The real life version of gameplay is called GIF. The real life. Who's breaking? Wait. Hey, who's breaking the house? Who's breaking the house? Hello, Bacon. Hello, Bacon. Oh my god! What the? Oh! No! Oh my god, what the heck is wrong with this? Ah! Please, just let me board. No! 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 Board it properly! No! Dang it! Oh my god, you know what? You know what you wanna? You go there. You must. Look at your face. You look so ugly. You look like my dad. You look like my dad also. You know what? I'm gonna build that now. Mama. You know what? You're now in prison. You know what I'm going to do? You the most? Oh no! Hey you! You the most? Yay! 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 No. You're so ugly. No, I'm gonna own you. No! Oh no! No, I lag! No, I disconnect. What have I done? Also guys, I'm not gonna end. So anyways, I'm gonna end of the video guys. Also guys, if you wanna see more videos from here, make sure to like and subscribe. So goodbye guys.